Good afternoon to all. Today I am going to continue the chapter differentiation. The name of the chapter is differentiation. Okay. Let us take one question just to see. Question number 1. It is given that if y is equal to x root over plus again x root over like this plus again x root over, okay, plus x root over, it will continue like this, okay, x root over again x root over again x root will be up to infinity. Okay, this is the question given and that you have to find out d by dx. Okay, if y is equal to x root over again x root over again x root over like this up to infinity, then prove that dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2y minus 1. This is the question, you have to prove it. Okay, now very carefully follow the question type what is given. Y is equal to, see, root over x plus root over x plus root over, like this it is continuous, whole root over like this is given. If it is given up to infinity, then I can write here like this, y is equal to x. This total also can be replaced by y. I can write here x plus y root over. No problems. Okay. After that, squaring both sides. This will be y square and this will be x plus y. And you have to find out the value of dy by dx. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, y square, dy by dx of x plus y. That means what is the derivative of y square? That will be 2y into dy by dx. The derivative of x is how much? 1 plus derivative of y, that is dy by dx. Now this one bring this side, it will be how much? 2y dy by dx minus dy by dx is equal to 1. Taking dy by dx common, 2y minus 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to how much? 1 by 2y minus 1. It is proved or not? And you have to prove dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2y minus 1. In this way, question number 1, complete proving type question, it is completed. Let's see first one what is given here in this question and how to proceed. Okay, it is completed. You have to practice. Let's go next question. Question number 2. See, it is given if 1 minus x square root over plus 1 minus y square root over is equal to a whole into x minus y. Then prove that dy by dx is equal to 1 minus y square by 1 minus x square whole root over. I have to prove this one. I think it is clear. So what is the question given? 1 minus x square root over plus 1 minus y square root over equal to a whole into x minus y. You have to prove dy by dx is equal to 1 minus x square, 1 minus y square root over by 1 minus x square whole root over. Okay. Now see, 1 minus x square root over plus 1 minus y square root over is equal to a whole into x minus y. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, means dy dx of 1 minus x square root over plus dy dx of 1 minus y square root over, then a constant taking outside dy dx of x minus y. After that, so what is the derivative of root over? Means 1 by 2 root over 1 minus x square. Again derivative of minus 1 minus x square, that is minus 2x. I am writing here minus 2x. Same thing, it is 1 by 2 root over 1 minus y square. Again derivative of minus y square, that is minus 2y into dy by dx. And here a whole into derivative x is how much? 1, and derivative y, that is dy by dx. Opening the bracket, I have to bring this side, and this one will take that side. That means it will be like this. If I bring this one, a minus a dy dx, a dy by dx, and this one is 2 to cancel, minus y by 1 minus y square root over dy by dx. Okay, what is left? A into 1 a, and this one is minus 2 to cancel, plus x by 1 minus x square root over. This one left. Okay. After that, take dy dx common. After taking dy dx common, what is left? A minus y by 1 minus y square root over is equal to, this will be a into 1 minus x square root over plus x by 1 minus x square root over. It also same thing, this will be taking LCM. Dy by dx, a into 1 minus y square root over minus y by 1 minus y square root over, a whole into 1 minus x square root over plus x by 1 minus x square root over. After that, you see, you have to find out dy by dx. That means dy by dx will be, this will go off. That means 1 minus y square root over by 1 minus x square root over, and other part, this will be off. That means a 1 minus x square root over plus x by a whole into 1 minus y square root over minus y. This part. Okay. See, if you simplify the given expression, then this part is equal to each other. Okay. If you simplify the given expression, means this one, if you simplify this part in such a manner that this will be, both will be equal. Okay. That in final it will be dy by dx is equal to 1 minus y square by 1 minus x square whole root over. The main difficult part is how it is coming equal to each other. Okay. That you have to practice of your own. I am just helping here. See, a into 1 minus x square plus x. Okay. And a into 1 minus y square minus y. Whether these are equal or not, just to see. The given part is 1 minus x root over plus 1 minus y square root over equal to a. Multiplying a both sides. Multiplying a both sides, this will be a 1 minus x square root over a into 1 minus y square root over equal to a square x minus y. After that, if you arrange, then this will be equal. This part equal to this part. That means this by this equal to 1. Okay. Only proper arrangement required, the given part. Only you have to take the help of the given, it will be clear. This is equal to 1. Let us go next one. Question number 3. If e to the power x plus y, e to the power x plus y is equal to xy, then show that dy by dx is equal to y whole into 1 minus x by x whole into y minus 1. Y whole into 1 minus x by x whole into y minus 1. How to prove? First we take the help of given part e to the power x plus y is equal to xy. Taking log both sides. If you will take log both sides, this will be power will come first. X plus y into log e. And this side it will be log xy. Log x into y. That means this log is 1. X plus y is equal to log x plus log y. Okay. After that, you have to differentiate both sides with respect to x. Differentiate this part with respect to x. What you will get? That you will see. That means derivative x is 1, derivative y, that is dy by dx. What is the derivative log x? That is 1 by x. The derivative log y, that is 1 by y into dy by dx. Also, dy dx related term, bring this one side, means dy dx, taking common 1 minus 1 by y is equal to 1 by x minus 1. Now you see, just to take LCM, dy by dx coming how much? Dy dx coming y minus 1 by y, and this is 1 minus x by x. That means dy by dx is equal to how much coming? Y will go up, y whole into 1 minus x, and by x whole into this will come down, y minus 1. Now you see, it is true or not? Therefore, final result is dy by dx is equal to y whole into 1 minus x by x whole into y minus 1. Proved. Okay. In this way, number 3 question also completed for next. Question number 4, if question given like this, if x to the power y is equal to e to the power x minus y, then prove that dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to log x by 1 plus log x whole square. 1 plus log x whole square. Log x by 1 plus log x whole square. Okay. So what is the question given? Now x to the power y is equal to e to the power x minus y. It is given. And taking log both sides. This will be y log x is equal to x minus y. Log e to 1. You can write here since log e is equal to 1. Differentiating both sides with respect to x means dy by dx of y log x and dy by dx of x minus y. So you have to take y into log x derivative, that is 1 by x, plus log x derivative y, that is dy by dx. First function means y into derivative log x plus log x into derivative y is equal to derivative x 1, y derivative dy by dx. That means this should be bring this side and taking common dy dx, log x and log x plus, if you bring this one, 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 minus y by x. After that, dy by dx is equal to, one is more stable, right? After that, log x plus 1 is equal to x minus y by x. This implies dy by dx is equal to x minus y by x whole into log x plus 1. Just to see here, x minus y value is how much? Y log x. That means x minus y value is y log x. Okay. And this is 1 plus log x. So what is the value of x minus y? I have to write here just like see dy by dx is equal to x minus y value is coming y log x by x put into log x plus 1. After that, so what is the value of y? What is the value of y? Just to see from here, so what is the value of y? Y will be, if I take y that side, this will be y log x plus y. From here, y taking common, y will be x by 1 plus log x. Y is equal to 1 plus log x. Y is equal to x by log x. And this value you have to substitute here. That means replacing y by x by 1 plus. That means y value replacing x log x by 1 plus log x. That means 1 plus log x will come down. That means this will be 1 plus log x whole square, because already 1 plus log x already one present, and the value of y it is coming x by 1 plus log x. That means 1 plus log x whole square. X is cancelled. Final answer is log x by 1 plus log x whole square. So what is the dy dx that you have to prove? Therefore dy by dx, therefore dy by dx is equal to log x by 1 plus log x whole square. This is proved. In this one, 4 questions are completed. Just slightly lengthy type question, proof type question, try to practice more soon. Thank you for today's class.